Hey guys, it's Pauline. I got a small haul that I thought that I would share with you. So, all these places are starting to put out their Halloween stuff. They're also putting out their Thanksgiving stuff. So, um, I went to, I was going to Hobby Lobby to see if they had some more clearance, and I did pick up on some more clearance. But right next to Hobby Lobby is like a Ross. And so we got Home Goods and Ross and Hobby Lobby all together. So I was over to Ross and I saw this and I picked this up. I was like, I could go to the Dollar Tree and probably do this myself because I'm sure I have some googly eyes like that, but I might do some smaller buckets like that just to see if I can do it. Because it's all it is. This is felt that's wrapped around and put some big googly eyes on it. You know, you could get some of those little buckets and just try it to see if it'll come out cute like this. But anyway, since it was only $6.99, I just went ahead and picked that up. I thought I would share that. And let's see, did I pick this up at Ross too, or Home Goods, or one of them? Um, I like these. Sometimes Tuesday morning we'll have these, but when I saw these, I went ahead and picked them up. I think that was Home Goods. All right, I think that was all from them, and I went to Target and I only picked up two things. Can you believe it? So I picked up these. It says rabbit rats, which is disgusting, but it's cute in a disgusting way. And then we have bat wings. And so those were the only ones I think I saw. All right. And so that's the only thing I got from Target. And I got very, very little um, at Tuesday morning. I went because I was in a different city. And so since I'm over there, I was like, I got to go to Tuesday morning to see what they got. They had like next to nothing. I'm talking about, it looks like their craft aisle is look like they're discontinuing it. But anyway, I'll get to that in a minute. Now I did pick up on some Hobby Lobby, and I was interested in this. I thought this was interesting. Some resist stick crayons. So I thought I'd give that a try. And then this looked interesting. The micro brush pen. It's in gold and silver. And now in the art supply, all they had was the calligraphy stuff. They didn't have any markers or pens or anything like that. Um, it was all calligraphy, and most of them were like the fountain pens, and so with the ink and all that, and I would just make a total mess out of that. So I didn't pick up any of those, and so I just picked up these. I thought these were interesting. All right, and then it was very, very sketchy stuff that was there left. I love these. So I picked these up, and then these are some pacifiers. I picked those up, and then some more fleur de lis, and then um, this is the only thing I picked up at the Dollar Tree that was crafty. I bought some paper plates and stuff, but this is the only thing I bought that was crafty. I thought it was kind of cute, so I picked that up. And these two are the only things that I got out of Tuesday morning. I know I'm jumping all over the place, but I picked these up at Tuesday morning, and this is that Tuesday morning. Like I said, it looks like they're clearing out the craft section, but I picked this up. And going back to Hobby Lobby, sorry, but they had a ton of dies. They had some stamps, but they didn't have any stickers that I could see. No paper packs this time. They did have some planner items, but that was all. It was a small clearance in my opinion. So now, if you are a die person, it was a metal die person's paradise. But I only got a couple of those. All right. and I think I didn't get any this trip. So there is a video right before this one, and you know, I don't think I uploaded it. That's the thing with this new way my app is I can't video and then upload at the same time. I can either upload an old video or I can do a live video. And so, but anyway, so sometimes I will make a video and then forget it. And I think I've done that. But anyway, I will check and make sure, and if I haven't uploaded it, I will. All right, so I picked this up. Now, this is the only thing really that's like exclusively for a teacher. The rest of it is for everybody else. I mean, you could use it anytime, anybody. And so I went ahead and picked that up. And then I didn't take these apart, but I picked these up. Thought these were interesting and useful. Now they had a bunch of these, and so but I picked these are the ones that I got. I forgot to open these. All right, let's see. Yeah, that one's totally, I'm not gonna take the time to open them because that takes forever. All right, and then so that one said Mom Life. And then this one is Lemon Drop. Okay, this one's open. So let's flip through this one right quick. Oh, this one is really pretty. Oh, that's the other one. Let's see. I thought that felt mighty thick. See. All right. So that's that one. It's kind of summery. I mean, kind of spring-like. And then this one, Fab and Fearless. So that's what these look like. Cute. All right, and then they had a couple of Mambi ones. There was a couple of them that I didn't get, like there was a mood tracker, and I don't remember what another one was, but I didn't get it. Wasn't my style. And then they had a couple of the planners from July 21st marked down. I didn't get any of those. I do not need a planner. So just flipping through this right quick. And then I got Boss Babe. I have this one already, but it's really cute. I like it. $4.99. And then I have one more thing to share. I'll let you guys go. I have a Kelly Purkey subscription. And I'm pretty sure I bought some extras, because I usually do. Yeah, I think I bought 2 extra stamp sets, actually. Alright, so this is how it came. Paper Person Holiday coming October. Ooh, that's going to be something. My wallet's already screaming. Alright, so let's see. See what we got here. Let's just take this out. Alright, this is usually your extras. It usually takes it on top. So this is what didn't come with the kit. This is what I bought outside of the kit. Alrighty, let's see. So, got that one. I think I really bought it for that one. I'm pretty sure. And then that one, ooh, this one, oh my gosh. We were really going overtime. Working like 60, almost 70 hours a week. All right. And then, did I get, oh my goodness, I got that again. I thought that this was a new stamp set. So I already have this one. And I bought it again. So I'm going to have to see what I'm going to have to do about that. Okay. And then, let's see. I'm going to look at the kit really, really quickly. I know other people are pretty much showing this, but I'm just going to go take 2 minutes. Sorry about the rustling. Okay. So we got some alphas. These are nice. They're raised. And then this is the stamp set. I like stamp set with a lot of icons and stuff, but this is neat. It's not going to be my favorite, but I'm not disappointed. And then we got some stickers. Very nice. And then we got some more alphas. And then really, really nice. So viewer, I guess you're viewer into the Olympics. Or is this exercising? But anyway, it reminds me of the Olympics. And then let's see what's on the back. Oh, okay, this is about dancing, learning to dance. Very nice. That's interesting. I wonder what she means for you to do with this. That's really interesting. Now this you could use for going back to school. I really like this one. Now I was about to say that this kit is kind of ho-hum, but now she's been redeemed on this one. I really like this one. All right, and so that is my thoughts on my kit and my little haul. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.